In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TradingView settings, full guide. If your charts look messy, colors feel off, or things just don't behave the way they used to, resetting your settings can quickly bring everything back to a clean default state. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to expect, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so you're confident about the changes you're making. First, head to your TradingView chart. You can open any symbol. The specific market doesn't matter. What you need is the standard chart view where you normally analyze price. Once your chart is open, look for the gear icon, often labeled Chart Settings. It's usually on the top toolbar. Click it to open the settings window. This is where TradingView stores your chart preferences, things like colors, grid lines, scales, time formats, and various display options that control how your chart looks and behaves. Inside the settings window, scroll all the way to the bottom. At the very bottom, you'll see a small drop-down menu. This is where TradingView keeps options related to defaults. Open that drop-down, you'll see an option called Apply Defaults. Go ahead and click Apply Defaults. This tells TradingView to restore the chart settings back to the platform's standard configuration. It's a quick way to clear out any unusual combinations of preferences that may have accumulated over time. After you choose Apply Defaults, a confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure. Click OK to confirm. TradingView will then reset those chart preferences. Give it a moment and you should see your chart update to a clean, familiar look. A couple of notes to keep in mind as you do this. Resetting chart settings focuses on visual and behavior preferences inside the settings window. It's meant to standardize things like appearance, scales, and general chart behavior back to TradingView's defaults. It won't affect your account information. If you've customized a look you might want to revisit later, consider taking a quick screenshot beforehand so you can replicate it if needed. Also, if your chart looks very different afterward, that's a good sign the reset worked. From here, you can tweak only what you truly need, keeping your setup lean and consistent. That's all there is to it. You've opened a chart, accessed the settings, used the drop-down at the bottom, applied defaults, and confirmed with OK. Enjoy your fresh, uncluttered chart, and feel free to fine-tune from this clean baseline. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.